first night we got here last year, we Joel's on the camera. Joel, Mitch, and I were all like, you know what'd be sick with Joe? He was like, let's do mustaches. We're like, well, we all have big beards. We're like, we'll just shave all mustaches. We'll be like mustaches in Texas. And Joe's like, all right, dude. Like, yeah, I'll do that. And
that was a terrible joke.
I know, it was a terrible joke. And then we're like, I think about it for half a second because, you know, Mitch has a huge beard usually. He's just like, nah, man, like, I'm not going to do mustache. And I was like, okay, well, if you're not going to do it, like, neither am I. And then Joe comes back and he's like, all right, dudes, mustache. And he like had shaved into a mustache. I felt bad.
That's amazing.
Anyway, so I'm going to shave right now.
Okay. When's the last time you had a mustache?
I don't know, man. A while ago. Here we go. SoFly mustache.
Let me zoom this bad boy.
Oh, I think I have the,
Got it.
yeah. Oh, no.
Oh, mama. Whoa, that happened really fast.
Or should I go full goatee? I look like I listen to Hootie and the Blowfish. Ew. Okay, we're gonna do... The real question is, soul patch or no soul patch, Joel? I don't know about the soul patch.
Yeah.
What do you think? Lose it? It's kind of gross.
I think get rid of it, yeah.
Nobody likes a soul patch. Hi.
Here to see how it's going.
Oh, it's going so good.
Hey!
So fresh. So fresh. I think it makes me double haul easier.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Hey Aldo, how much for mustache rides?
Yeah, that's usable content, so that's for sure.
That's
usable. Hey Joel, this is the kind of content we need.
This is it?
This is the content we need,
Yeah. Just getting the content. Man, this is...
Morning, Jean.
Good morning.
Where are we right now?
We are at the house in Rockport.
Oh, baby.
Texas.
With our all-star guide, Matt Dotson.
Buenos dias.
What's the plan today, Matt?
Well, we had a fall back, little time change last night, so we're gonna have a little bit better light in the morning to see fish. You know, we've been getting out and not having good viz. So that'll be nice. Light wind, yeah, like east northeast. So that'll be nice. It'll be super light. We can pull and cast them wherever we want, and good sun. So shaping up to be a nice day.
So you get some more redfish, Jean?
Yeah.
You've been crushing.
It's going to be hard to top the last 2 days.
Yeah. Jean kind of sandbagged everybody.
Yeah?
Yeah. So hopefully we get a good bite again.
Or not? Joel, you pumped?
Oh yeah.
Last day at Blue Lagoon.
Last day for this year.
Ooh.
Oh, this
Look at that light on your face. It's so nice.
Yeah.
So nice. Andy's here too.
What's up, fam? What's up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. It's Andy Vander K.
Joe, how we feeling about today?
If it's anything like the past couple days, we're gonna have a good time.
Police go. Cost you how much?
$100.
Why? That's good. Get after it.
Egg and tater.
Oh, wow. It really smells like it would be real spicy. I'll do a little.
That'll wake
Just
you
to be
up.
safe.
That'll wake you up.
Get the sinuses going.
Yeah.
We've got a fairly low tide in general, and it's going to be falling until about 2 in the afternoon. So it's going to be skinny water, but it should be clear because of that. It's nice and cool with the north wind. Typically gets the redfish kind of jonesing a little bit, and on the feed, so it should be a good day. You got the sun. That's the key. All right.
Key is sun.
Yeah, you got to be able to see them. Can't catch what you can't see, so it should be a nice day.
Rowdy.
I just want to get where I'm going so bad.
Yeah.
FaceTime with my kid at night. Brutal. Yep.
Damn, Aldo. Okay. I got Hail Mary shot, bro.
Thanks, dude.
Was that buck wild?
That was buck wild. That was pretty buck wild. That felt buck wild.
Oh man.
Toss me a cold one. Yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Great day.
That's good. Great day.
Thank you, Matt.
Thanks,
Thank
Matt.
you.
So rad.
Thank you all.
Where
All y'all.
are we going? What are we doing now?
Well, I don't know.
Look here.
Going to eat, probably. Figure out what we're going to eat.
Ceviches and beers.
Yeah. Definitely beers. Crushing. Wait, what did he say?
Gunning.
Gunning beers.
Gunning box of beer.
Check this out. We've got some local beers. Texas finest.
Oh, Andy, the beerman. Whoa.
All
Whoa.
local. Brewed local.
Nice. Did you have a good day on the water, bud?
Great day, dude. Great
Yeah?
3 days. Joe and Matt are wicked. I just dropped an F-bomb, but
Okay, we can.
great days,
brief you
great
out.
guys. Great trip all around. Best.
Great.
Yeah.
Joel, you have a good time? Despite the flight delays?
Oh, despite the flight delays, yeah, an amazing time. Totally worth it. I would definitely travel 36 hours to get here anytime.
Nice. Hey Aldo, Yeah. what are you cooking? I think we're gonna have some fajitas. Joe's got the grill going. Chicken fajitas. Right?
Oh, yeah.
And we
Chicken?
got some.
Peppers.
Oh yeah. Gene's on the peppers. I'm on the snacky margaritas.
Oh yeah.
Snacky margaritas. Queso Oaxaca. Oaxacan cheese.
You want me to get right in there on the snackies you've already prepared?
Oh, dude, please.
Look at these snackies.
Guacamole, clearly from scratch. Pico de gallo, also from scratch.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah,
make-
you've been slaving.
I've been slaving.
Yeah, hours.
We had an awesome day on the water. Awesome 3 days on the water, Eugene.
Oh, just the best.
Are you? What? You're not going home?
Said I might not be going home. It was that good.
Just staying put, eh?
Bye. Bye, Idaho. Bye, Idaho.
Don't tell Idaho.
Oh, like Idaho.
Aldo,
Uh-huh.
could you be a deer and grab me one of those Shiner holiday beers?
No problem.
Okay. Margarita time? Hey, Gene?
Hey.
Margarita time?
Works.
Okay, I got the old pescatory free pour though, so, you know, watch it with that knife. Oh, God.
Here we go.
No shaker?
Mm-mm.
Well, you know.
Is that a problem?
You're feeling it out.
No shaker, no. What? No shaker, no problem. Check this out.
Oh.
Oh, a little bit of ice. Okay, I'll tell you what, that's handy. This fits in here. And we got a makeshift shaker. Ready?
Look at you go.
Are we ready?
Rolling.
Oh, baby.
You gotta go high.
Come here, bartend.
I love when bartenders do, they go like, hey.
Oh.
Should we get a glamour shot of that?
Or we could.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry. Remember you said. I remember you saying you wanted yours spicy, Joel.
I do want a spicy one.
Okay, so I'll make yours spicy. Gene.
Yeah.
Great day boat, buddy.
Cheers.
Hey.
That's a wrap from Blue Lagoon. That's a wrap.
It's the first step out of bed when the clouds start rolling in, when the flowers lose their heads. It's the lies that keep them smiling